This is the most perfect keyboard ever. If you want that typewriter sound or you want that old school clicking like how they do back in the day, this is the perfect keyboard for you. It gives you a modern style but the sleek and stylish look of an old school typewriter. The clicking sound, as you hear it, is pretty good, and I just love that the keys are interchangeable and they just work really good. You connect this keyboard via Bluetooth or via the C dongle that you see right there, or you can also use a USB. The keyboard keys are interchangeable, and it's just an overall good keyboard. I connected it to my iPad and laptop. Highly recommend.